Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to explain how to um, place drone on each other. What I mean by placing drone on each other is that how to make use of overlay tools. So overlay is the way by which you then position two things on each other. So now in order to determine the difference, like what I mean by to determine the difference is that, for example, if this is the existing drone and you want to refurbish or remodel this building. So that means I'm going to remove this wall and close this side, or remove this door and close it with block wall. So by placing the new drain with the existing drain, it's able to determine, it's able to show the difference of walls of the uh, element that has been removed and the one that is being placed in the building. So that is the function of overlay. So let's get started. So now this is the existing drawing for the ground floor, and this is the new drawing for the ground floor. So now this is the new drawing for the ground floor now. So let me click on the existing drawing, then click on overlay tools, click on comparative overlay. Compare two versions of the same page after being revised to view additions and deletions. Additions will be shown in red. Don't forget this one. Deletions will be shown in blue. So click on addition is red, right? Click on next. So we want to position or place the new drawing on it. So this is the new drawing. Don't forget that addition is red. So would you like to align this overlay now? Yes. Let's click on it. Click on it. The reason why I didn't drag it is that the new drawing and the existing drawing have the same shape. So I will have dragged it like this, but I don't need to drag it. Just click on this and click on this. That is all. Had it been I drag it, you will be seeing red and blue, all this area. It will give you perfect addition and deletion. So now, what I seen according to what I show when I click on overlay is it displays that something pops up that under the compare tools. You understand? So the compare of the overlay. So it's display that it shows us that anything that shows red means that is addition. Anything that shows blue, that is deletion. You understand? So now, according to what I show you, okay, let me come back to this one. I show you before I started this overlay stuff. The existing one, we have wall and window here. You understand? That means you are removing it for the new design. For the new design, let me just show you the new design here. So this is the new design. We have removed it. For the red means we are introducing or we are adding new walls to it. We are adding new walls to it. So, and you are removing this door because it is painted with, this made up of, or it is shaded, yes, with blue color. Anything shows blue means that we remove. Anything shows red means that we are adding. You understand? So this blue area means we are removing it. Come, let me show you the new drawing. There's nothing here. That means we have removed the wall that is here, and we have removed the wall here. The sliding door, we have removed it. Let me show you again. This is blue, we have removed it. And this red means we are adding window and this wall to this side. We have removed this window here, and we have removed the wall here and the door here. We have replaced this side with wall. Let me show you again. So we have, this is the wall that we are replacing it. So that is it. So here you have removed this window and replace it with wall. So let's now come down to upper floor. This is the upper floor. If I introduce another wall here, it's going to come like this. You are moving this door to this side. Let me show you. So the door here has been shifted to this side. The door here has been moved to this side. Can you see? So now this is the existing one, right? This is the existing one. No. So now click on overlay, comparative overlay here. Click on next, then click on new drawing for the upper floor. Yeah, because both of them are of the same scale, so don't even bother to drag. Just click, double click. I did mean they are not of the same scale. Maybe this one is above this, and you can also click on it once, now drag it to this point. So here to just double click, don't bother to drag it. So now this is what I'm saying. The red shows that we are adding another walls, we are adding new door, and we are adding new walls here. If we have removed the door, we have okay. If you remove the walls here and we've added another door here, if you remove this door and added another wall here, and this hidden line means a wardrobe area. So we are adding new one here. You have removed this one here. So this block wall here, if you have removed, let me show you. I'm coming. Okay, this is the new one that we add to it. So you have removed this one, this blue area, you have removed it. You remove this 6 inches block, we've added 9 inches block wall, and when we get to this side, we add 6 inches block. So we've removed this WC here, we've replaced it, we've shifted it to this side, and we've removed this ocean base here, we position it somewhere here. So that is the difference. That's the difference, and that is how um, to use overlay in Planswift software. Thanks for watching.